Today we will discuss living and non-living. Fourth lesson, living and non-living. Here see children your textbook page number 34. Page number 34. Here see get set. Circle the names of living things and underline the names of non-living things. Here given some sentences. You can do living things and non-living things underline. Okay. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్కి నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్కి అండర్లైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా. సర్కిల్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ అండర్లైన్ ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకేనా. లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ని నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ని ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో ఏమున్నాయో సెర్చ్ చేసి టిక్ చేయాలి. ఐ సెడ్ వన్ సచిన్. సచిన్ ఈజ్ ఏ హ్యూమన్. ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ హియర్ ఈజ్ ఏ లివింగ్. ఓకే. బాల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ a non-living thing. Okay, ball is a non-living thing. Okay, it is a made up of human man-made thing. Okay, they are the made by humans. They are called as man-made things. Ball is a man-made thing. Sachin అంటే non-living thing. Sachin is a living. Okay, you can underline the word and here write L. Okay, underline the ball and write NL. And NL means non-living things. L means living. Okay, living and non-living. Next, you can do these three sentences. Okay, you can do these three sentences. Ruskin Bond has written many books for children. We stopped the car to look at the lovely trees. Third one, from the boat Salem saw a flock of birds flying away. Okay, you can do these three sentences. Which is the living thing, which is the non-living, you can underline this one. Okay, next see children, let us read about living and non-living things. Building is a non-living thing. Okay, car is a non-living thing. Tiger is a living thing. Okay, building is a non-living, car is a non-living thing, tiger is a living thing. Okay children, can you understand? Living and non-living. Living and non-living. Fourth lesson, living and non-living. Okay, our earth is very beautiful children. Our earth is very beautiful and so many wonderful things also there. Wonderful things like they are people, car, bus, animals. Okay, our earth is a very beautiful. Our earth is a very beautiful and they have wonderful things. There are peoples, cars, flowers, birds, bus, animals, flowers, birds and rockets and buildings and building, buildings, rockets. They are peoples, car, bus, animals, flowers, birds, rockets, buildings, and there are cars, buses, road. Okay, roads. Next, bridges. Okay, bridges, and of course air. Bridges, air, water. Okay, codes of air, water. This is the earth. Yes, the earth is a so many wonderful things. What are they? There are peoples, car, bus, animals, flowers, birds, rockets, buildings. Okay, roads, bridges, air, water. Okay, these are the, this is a earth. Okay, na? Yes, you can see children once, look at the book once. plants, flowers, pet animals, people's cars, okay, rockets, buildings. Okay, it is our wonderful world. Okay, wonderful world. Okay, the earth is very beautiful. Yes, yes, they have so many things are there in earth. Okay, you know children, one earth is a very beautiful, so many things are there. Yes, and some of these things, okay, some of these things, some of these things like these things like cars, 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 buildings, 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 buildings. Next, roads, 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 bridges, okay, bridges. Next ఇంకా some buildings, okay na, means bus, car, any vehicles, these are the cars, buildings, roads, bridges, bus, so many vehicles are there. Okay na, these are the made by humans. These things are made by humans. Okay, these things are made humans. అవునా? ఎస్, కార్ని తయారు చేసింది ఎవరినైనా హ్యూమన్స్. బిల్డింగ్స్ కట్టేది ఎవరు? హ్యూమన్స్. రోడ్స్ వేసేది ఎవరు? హ్యూమన్స్. బ్రిడ్జెస్ కట్టేది హ్యూమన్స్. బస్, వెహికల్స్, వీటన్నిటిని తయారు చేసింది ఎవరు? హ్యూమన్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ మేడ్ ఫర్ హ్యూమన్స్. ఓకే, సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ కార్స్, buildings, roads, bridges, buses, vehicles, these are the made by humans. They are called as man-made things. వీటన్నిటిని మనం ఏమంటాం? They are called as man-made things. They are called man-made things. Yes. Not only roads, bridges, phone, computer, these are all also electrical things. Okay, these are also made by humans. Car, buildings, roads, bridges, bus, vehicles, and phone. Okay, this board, these are the made by humans. These humans making things are called as man-made things. Humans తయారు చేసిన వాటిని మనం ఏమంటాం? Man-made things. Okay, man-made things. Okay, you can understand children what are the man-made things? Yes. Next, things that like some things are like that. Animals, things are like animals. Okay, plants, animals, plants, they are like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, moon, and the stars. They have not been made by humans. Stars ni, moon ni, sun ni. Okay, these things are made by humans. Moon, stars, next sun, rocks, you know rocks, rallu. Okay, rocks, clouds, mabbulu. These are the made by humans? No, these are the natural things. These are the nature. These things are gave nature. Okay, sun, stars, rocks, clouds, moon. Okay, these things have not been made by humans. వీటిని హ్యూమన్స్ తయారు చేయలేదు. నేచర్ గేవ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, నేచర్ గేవ్ థింగ్స్ టు అస్. థింగ్స్ లైక్ animals, plants, rocks, clouds, sun, moon, and the stars. Stars, moon, sun, rocks, clouds. Okay, these things have not been made by humans. ఇవి హ్యూమన్స్ తయారు చేయలేదు. ఓకే, దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ గివ్ నేచర్స్ automatically. Okay, Nature gave these things to us. Ever kosam to us. Okay, nature gave things to us. These things are called as the nature things. They are called nature things. Called nature things. Okay, sun, moon, animals, these are the nature things. You know children, humans, plants and animals, these are the living things or non-living things? Yes, these are the living things. Living things. You know, humans, plants, animals, they are living things. Living things are different from non-living things. Differ from non-living things. Non-living things. Okay, in many ways children, humans in chala different ways lo living things and non-living things are the different. Okay, once again I repeat you children. First one, man-made things. Okay, man-made things. Second one, human things. Human-made things. Nature things. Nature things. Okay, man-made things and nature things, natural things. Okay, once again I said, what is the man-made things? Okay, some things are made. Some things are made, human beings, made by human things. These are called as man-made things. Okay, some things like car, bus, phone, computer, road, buildings, rockets. Okay, these things are made by humans. Kabatti these are called as man-made things. These are called as man-made things. Car, bus, phone, computer, road, buildings, these things are made by humans. These things are made by humans. Okay, humans, they are called as man-made things. They are called as man-made things. Next, nature things. Nature things means stars, plants, okay, sun, moon, okay, clouds. These are the nature things. These things are give nature. Okay, these things are give nature. Stars, plants, sun, moon, clouds. These things are made by, not made by humans. Whitney, not made by humans. These things are natural. These things are the rocks also. Rocks. Okay, these things are made by natural. They are called as natural. They are called as nature things. They are called as nature things. Okay, man-made things and natural things. Tomorrow we will discuss deeply children, living and non-living things lesson. Okay, you can do homework page number 34. Get set, circle the names of living things and underline the names of the non-living things. I said one sentence, you can do these 3 sentences, underline the living things and non-living things. Okay children, thank you.